Hello, this video is going to show you how to add a user to your HomeGauge payment account. This step is not required, but some companies may want to add another user that has the ability to log in with their own individual username and password to HomeGauge payments. When that person logs in, they can have special permissions set. For example, you might have an office manager and they might have full permissions. They might be able to see deposits and manage different things that a lead inspector might not. If you have a lead inspector, you might give them permissions for processing refunds, dealing with disputes, creating payments that are not linked to the HomeGauge dashboard, but you might not allow them to see the total revenue or to adjust other parts of HomeGauge payments. So first you'll log into your HomeGauge payments dashboard, and then under management on the left-hand side, you'll click on users, and then we're going to click on access templates because we're going to create this user access template with specific permissions. So click add access template. And then here, with the drop-down, you're going to click Merchant. And then you're going to give it a name. So for this template, I'm going to call it Lead Inspector. And then I'll show you how to set the different permissions. First category is Create. What can they create? What do they have the ability to do? I'm going to click the drop-down. I'm going to take it down to no permissions at all. And then I'm going to add back payments. They have the ability to create a payment, create invoices, and invoice configuration. You might have different things that you would like this person to have permissions for. Full view is just what can they log into and what can they see. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click no, permissions for anything. And then I'm going to add back payments. I'm going to give them the ability for split charges, quick charge, and invoices. Again, your configurations could be different, but these are just some pretty standard ones a lead inspector might have. Summary view, I'm going to do the same thing. And basically, you're going to go into each of these categories and give them permissions for what you would like that person to be able to see or to be able to do. You can create more than one access template. So this one is for a lead inspector. When you're done, you could create one for an office person. So now that I have all the permissions set, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And now I'm going to actually add the user. So under users here, I'm just going to click users. And then I'm going to click add user at the top right corner where it says role, choose the drop down, and I'm going to choose my new template, lead inspector. I'll give that person a username. I will give them a password as well. There's a field to fill in their full name and their email address. And then once you're done, you just click Add User, and they're all set. And that's it.